So this is how two ladies greet each other when one is elder. How an elder woman and a younger male, they greet each other. The elder female and the younger. It's called Balaya Johar. This happens on special occasions, usually during marriage, but whenever they meet, this is how they will greet each other. This is a show of strength. One trying to dominate the other. Mother-in-law of the group or the vice versa. Father of the groom and the mother-in-law of the groom.
Cloth, but all these things are done by women by hand, and they count the thread and very carefully they bring pattern like
very rich with our culture and traditions, and all of us portraying here. It was really good, really beautiful to know about each other, right? So it was really nice. Thank you so much. And in Hindi we say, right, समझ नहीं आया लेकिन सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा. So let us just give a round of applause. Has a Toda embroidery. So I'd like to request you, the stage is all yours. Please take your time.
This is what is the embroidery. So it is done by women, and it is not woven, it is hand embroidery. And only the red band that you see, it is woven, and the basic cloth. But all these things are done by women by hand, and they count the thread and very carefully they bring a pattern like this, and you can use it both sides, you know. And the uniqueness of this is they don't use any pattern and no frames. Whatever comes to their mind, their hands keep working. And finally, something like this comes out. And another uniqueness is that no two shawls are the same. There will be some difference in that because the mind works and also the hand works. Yeah. So these are the two uniqueness about this shawl, and it is the women usually wear it like this. It is a small thing, so they wear it like this. Actually, it comes down. Men wear it, up till their knee. And also in the olden days, they are very hospitable. So whenever an elderly person visits another home, there will be a kind of a pocket in part of the thing. So they always bring goodies, to give to the children. So they never go empty-handed to any house. Yeah. So that is the story about this shop. Thank you.
करे मारे पास वाले कुकड़ा वाहते दलन बही जाए दाना छोड़ने उखल बही जाए कुकड़ा वाहते दलन बही या तो खेत जात नो बोपिराने ने खेत दौड़ी जात ने हल बल जोने आ तो खेत जात नो बोपिराने ने खेत दौड़ी जात ने आया अताणे अवे फारुने चढ़ावाई पास वल जाऊरा
Welcome Murmu for her solo song which is in Sabari.
Thank you for giving this opportunity. We were not able to participate in other programs, at least in this program. Actually, I belong to Santal tribe, but I don't know the language. I am not acquainted with the cultures. So I am singing a Sadri song, not a Santali song. Prabhu mor sangire, hai re mor sangire, hai re mor sangire, toke moi khojona, toke moi chahona, aao Prabhu mor jeevan mein. Prabhu mor sangire, Prabhu mor sangire, hai re mor sangire, hai re mor sangire, toke moi chahona, toke moi khojona, aao Prabhu mor jeevan mein. आकाश के देखो ना तारा मन के देखो ना मोय तोरी याद आवल मुके रे तोरी याद आवल मुके रे तोरी याद आवल मुके रे प्रभु मोर संगे रे हाय रे मोर संगे रे हाय रे मोर संगे रे तोके मोय चाहोना तोके मोय खोजोना आओ प्रभु मोर जीवन में पक्षी भी गावे गीत नदी भी गावे गीत रे तोरे गीत गावे सुबेरे तोरे गीत गावे सुबेरे तोरे गीत गावे सुबेरे प्रभु मोर संगे रे प्रभु मोर संगे रे हाय रे मोर संगे रे हाय रे मोर संगे रे तोके मोय चाहोना तोके मोय खोजोना आओ प्रभु मोर जीवन में तोके मोय चाहोना तोके मोय खोजोना
Adi Durang from Jharkhand. So I'd like to request you to please come forward.
We are from Munda tribe and from Jharkhand Ranchi. We are going to present a Mundari song, which means we are the first dwellers of this land. We are the first settlers. All the Adiwasi people come together and will sit together under a tree. Our Jangal Jameen are snatching away. Our society is sinking. So come, let us together and sit and talk and rectify all the things. So we are going to present this Mundari song.
Adiwasi ko ila दुनिया रे में आदिवासी को ila जवाना भूमि के दारू सुबह दुनिया रे में आदिवासी को ila दुनिया रे में आदिवासी को ila जवाना भूमि के दारू सुबह हरे दोनी हरे हाय हरे दोनी हरे हाय दुनिया रे में आदिवासी को ila दुनिया रे में आदिवासी को ila जवाना भूमि के दारू सुबह रेखताना बोते हसा अदुताना जगर भाषा अदुताना जगर भाषा अतुताना बुवलताना दिसुम अतुताना बुवलताना दिसुम इलाबुतन सापेरू अड़या अतुताना बुवलताना दिसुम अतुताना बुवलताना दिसुम इलाबुतन सापेरू अड़या हरे दोनी हरे हाय हरे दोनी हरे हाय अतुताना बुवलताना दिसुम अतुताना बुवलताना दिसुम इलाबुतन सापेरू अड़या.
Thank you.
This is also like father-in-law, daughter-in-law, or the in-laws of the son and his parents, how they greet the other side. That is also different. So there is a uniqueness in every different relations of how we greet each other. So we begin with. So this is like when she bows down, I accept and give her blessings. So this is typical of any elder male, of how any younger female, like when she meets an elder male in the society, and then the basic greets him. Sheila and Amrita. This is how two ladies greet each other when one is elder and the other one is younger. Yes. And how an elder woman and a younger male, they greet each other. The elder female and a younger male. And the next one is the in-laws. The in-law is from both the father of the bride and the father of the groom, how they greet each other. Joy and Utpal. This is called Balaya Johar. This happens on special occasions, usually during marriage, but whenever they meet, this is how they will greet each other. This is a show of strength. One trying to dominate the other. Now the next one is say Balaya Johar between two ladies, mother of the groom and the mother-in-law of the groom, or the vice versa. This is between Balaya Johar also, the father of the groom and the mother-in-law of the groom. And one more. Usually done 3 times, once or 3 times. Not in even numbers,
by women only. And we would play it during festivals as a call inviting people to celebrate. This is the only musical instrument I know how to play. So it is an honor for me to play in front of all of you. I haven't practiced for a long time, for many years I would say, so please bear with me. Thank you.